Hello friends, in this video we intend to teach you step by step how to upload documents and complete identity verification on the Toobit Exchange. Once we enter the Toobit Exchange dashboard, we select the identification option from the profile section and the identity verification page will open for us. In the first step, we must select the Verify Now option in the Basic Verification section and complete the basic information related to authentication in this section. After completing the form in the Certificate section, select the type of document you want to upload, enter the ID number in the next section, and finally click on the Submit option. The initial stage of your identity verification on the Toobit Exchange has been completed. To complete the process, click on the Complete Advanced Verification option. And in this section, by clicking on this option, you upload the photos of the documents you selected for identity verification in the previous step. Next, you will be asked to take a selfie for identity confirmation, in which your ID card and a handwritten note containing your name, the name of the exchange, and the date must all be clearly visible. This process is carried out to prevent identity fraud and to enhance the security of your account, and after uploading the image, you click on the Submit option. Your documents are currently being reviewed by the Toobit Exchange. By clicking the Return to Verification option, we go back to the verification page. As you can see, our initial information on the Toobit Exchange website has been updated, and the documents we uploaded for identity verification are being reviewed by the exchange. As you can see, our identity verification process has been completed, and the documents we uploaded for verification have been successfully accepted by the Toobit Exchange. In future videos, we will have more tutorials about the Toobit Exchange together. Wishing you success and profitable trades.